Hey guys, Felix from Dog Train Beyond. I have something great for you guys today. Being a dog trainer for almost 13 years in Poughkeepsie, New York, we're in Poughkeepsie right now. I have a young German Shepherd and I want to show you guys something really quick. She's for puppy, she's insecure, she needs confidence building. So we'll do something really quick. In public, you want to use everything you can whenever you can, build confidence and stuff like that. So right now they had these platforms out. It's heavy and it's not gonna fall. I'm gonna have her go on it and walk on it. Number one, it's gonna feel weird because she's not gonna use the holes. And number two, it's a different material on her feet she's not used to. So I'm gonna help her up. She's not used to it. She's not used to jumping. Let's go. Good. 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 Let's go. Good. 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 Yes. Here. If you really need help with your dog training, I want to help you. If you're in the Poughkeepsie area or near Poughkeepsie or Dutchess County, and you really need help helping you work your dog, get your dog better, click below for a free consultation, and we'll start working together as soon as possible. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. No, let's go. Let's go. Good. Good, mama. Come on. This is really good to develop her confidence and teach her to be on objects that she's not used to. The holes, the metal, it's all foreign to her. Let's go. And you want to make sure you have on leash so you have control. Good, mama. And then at the end, yes. Good girl, and she gets reward. Simple little exercise, but makes a big difference in her world. There you go. Take a big one.